What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Zetachain, which has dropped just over a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, you guys can see how volatile it has been. Late last night, early this morning, it did gain a huge amount of value, heading up to about $1.54 and then slowly dropping down in value, making it trade at $1.36 right now. Over the week it has gone up 150%, guys. Again, for those of you guys who don't know, this crypto was listed, let's have a look here, literally just about a week ago on the 1st of February, last week. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Zetachain. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop down in value? And the potential risks that are involved in this crypto. There is quite a major risk which I will be going through later on in the video as well, but for now we are going to start off with a short-term prediction. But again guys, I'm going to have to stick to the short-term prediction. As I keep mentioning, there is not much historical data on the crypto, meaning the long-term prediction is not possible, so we are going to stick to the short-term one. But you guys have asked for regular updates on this crypto, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we are looking at the hourly chart right now with the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which I am going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So before I go any further guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the hourly chart, we do have the MACD indicator here, so let's zoom in a little bit more to the 30-minute chart to find out what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, what is expected from Zetachain. So zooming in here, we can see that the MACD indicator is looking a little bit skeptical. We do have the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. It does look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, it is just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Zetachain over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially, I'm expecting it to head just about over $1.40 is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy, nothing major, minimal increases in value. But again, that does not mean that it's going to drop down any further. It is likely to drop down a little bit further, down to about $1.32, $1.33 over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to gain value up to around $1.40 by midday tomorrow is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next day or two, so 24 to 48 hours, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Zetachain over the next two days, approximately 24 to 48 hours. So where is it likely to head down to? I'm not expecting a major crash, but I'm expecting it to drop down to just above $1.22. Just above that price range is where I'm expecting Zetachain to be trading at by midweek, guys. Again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles. It is likely to be quite volatile, green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Zetachain over the next 24 to 48 hours. So what we're going to do now is zoom into the 4-hour chart. However, as you guys can clearly see, the MACD indicator has disappeared, meaning we won't be able to do the prediction over the next week or so. Reason for that is the MACD indicator has disappeared due to the lack of data, meaning even if I do the prediction over the next week or so, it won't be accurate. And as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information, so we are going to stay away from the 4-hour chart. Let's zoom in into the 2 hours chart and see. Again, it's not complete, guys, so we're going to avoid that. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto or even daily updates, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, to keep you guys in the loop on my predictions and my takes on this crypto. So what risks are there when it comes to Zetachain? Price popped after mainnet launch, but risks remain. So I've keep saying that these new cryptocurrencies that do get listed on Binance, or these new projects, they pump like crazy over the first couple of days and then start to drop back down, and they are very, very risky. So I would have my risk management on point if I am looking to invest into it. So let's have a look. We're not going to go in through what Zetachain is, because again, go watch my last videos if you guys want to know that. But what are the risks? So Zetachain price has done well after the mainnet launch. However, the network faces several risks ahead that could impact its price. First, the layer 1 industry is currently saturated with older network like Ethereum, Solana and BNB competing with newer ones like Sui, Sei, Manta. As such, Zetachain will likely need to do something special to gain market share, which again is agreeable up to an extent. The other potential risk is the fact that many chains go public, gain some hype initially and then fade away, exactly like what I said about a minute ago, where these new cryptocurrencies, they gain a lot of attention, a lot of hype around them, and then literally just drop back down. Classic example is Bonk. That wasn't a new project, however it pumped like crazy numbers back in December last year, guys, and then what's happened now is literally just dropped back down, and I did warn you guys about that crypto as well. We have seen that with several networks recently, like XDC Network, Siacoin, Casper and Scale Network. Therefore, Zetachain will need to work hard to maintain its relevancy. The best way to achieve this is to have good ecosystem, which again, that was back my point once again. So yeah, if you guys are looking to invest into the crypto or even trade it, make sure your risk management is on point. And the number one rule when it comes to cryptocurrency is do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up once again over 26%, making it $85 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of percentage increase in the last 24 hours. It has been quite volatile, but there's still a lot of people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers perspective, so it is still gaining a lot of traction in the crypto market, as it is still one of the top trending cryptos. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your take and your prediction on this crypto, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.